not enough to talk about our audiences, we need to talk to them. Digital diplomacy is about getting outside of our embassies, our capitals, and into communities.
We think that by working with our allies, with our partner countries, both to run the program, including with the Center for European Perspective, but also with all of the representatives from partner like-minded governments, basically. It's really, really important that they understand the changing environment, that they understand and are able to use the new tools that are available.
The key to reaching people on social media is to make sure the message is short, concise, but also visually appealing and shareable.
In a crisis situation, the 3 steps I would take to deal with the situation are prepare a response quickly, get it out on all your appropriate social media channels, whatever they are, and follow that up with more detailed information into the action you're taking on social media, but keep the response level high.
Make sure you're breathing, stay calm, and then assess the situation.
Digital diplomacy is of course getting more and more importance also in our everyday life, in diplomacy, foreign relations, international relations. So we of course think that this kind of project is a very interesting and up-to-date thing which we cherish a lot.